Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I'm out shooting video of homes that come on the market. I'm on Oceanport and this has an ocean view, believe it or not. Nice paver driveway, 2-car, tile roof. It's really nice. And then I love the PV stone. Some bedrooms up here. This is neat. So nice flagstone here, and then hardwood as we come in to a vaulted ceiling living room. This is beautiful and huge view out there. We can see it. So, wow, big view. Double yard, like meaning it's a split. So this is your living room. It's a nice little barbecue area here. Little grass here and below as you get into the yard. Nice. Wow, and there's Catalina. And then we might get all the way over to the other end. Not quite. Huh. Pretty cool. So this is nice how this is all right on the same level with the kitchen. Telephone table on a bar top in your kitchen. It's really nice. Cute little kitchen straight into the garage. Oh, nice. They did the floor in here. That's pretty sweet. Nice maple cabinetry. Pretty. They reset the. This is great. All right, moving through. We have a split level. Love this room. It's pretty. So downstairs, we have one family room and with the doors going right out. A little wet bar. Here's laundry. Downstairs, 3/4 bath. It's a nice room. So the ceilings are skim. That's nice. There's a lot to offer here. So this looks like the primary. If you take this carpet out, you'd probably have a lot lighter. It feels a little dark, but it's dark carpet. It's a nice banister. This has got some really great features to it. So here's our upstairs bath, shared bath. 3/4 shower. Nice pedestal. Then a couple rooms here, so using this as an office. Some view out there. And another one. So 1, 2, 3, and then the one down below. This is a great room. I love this. So, good floor plan, great flow, a nice property indeed. And, there's a lot to offer here. So if you have questions about the market or you'd like to see this home, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you. Thanks a lot for watching, and wow, I can see all the way around. Make it a great day.